This is how you can quickly gain muscle if you're skinny. If you are skinny and struggling to gain weight, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to share with you some amazing tips for gaining weight. So watch the video till the very end. First of all, there is no easy way to gain weight. You should eat enough food and even more than usual to get sufficient calories required for your body. You should include a variety of protein-rich food into your diet daily. Let us discuss about some of the high-protein foods like dairy products such as milk, curd, and cheese. You can add eggs, meat, and fish as well. You can also make your own smoothies and shakes using different nuts and fruits. All of these should be added to your diet. If you are someone who forgets to eat or doesn't feel hungry, just like me, then make a schedule and set the alarm or reminder to eat on time. By this practice, you can train your appetite and remove the reminder. Now, not only eating helps you in weight gain, you need to build muscle as well. So you should focus on strength training and lifting weights. Lifting weights can actually help you with muscle gain. You don't have to lift heavy weights even on the first day. Always start with minimum weight, and then you can increase weights gradually. Do not do it fast. It is safe and effective when you do a proper slow repetition. You can wake up early in the morning and hit the gym or just do the same at your home as per your comfort. So I'm going to tell you a list of exercises which will help you gain weight. Squats, lunges, push-ups, pull-ups, bench press, bench dips. These are some effective workouts that will help you in your weight gain journey. But do not forget to take proper precautions to perform such exercises. It is always safe if you can hire a trainer who can guide you through your workout routine. Do not overdo any of the exercises. Always try to modify them for better results. If you keep repeating any single workout, your body stops responding, and you might not see any other changes. Now let me walk you through some important tips which are often ignored and not considered important. How many of you actually know that sleep plays a major role in maintaining our body weight? Any individual needs at least 6 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night, and anything less than that causes sleep deprivation, which in turn causes a number of diseases. On the other hand, getting enough rest and sleeping for a few hours will benefit you in a number of ways. Lack of sleep can be linked with poor eating habits, which means more calorie intake, and you always feel hungry. Also, there will be less physical activity, which ultimately results in being overweight and obese as well. So get enough sleep. Another important aspect that can burn multiple calories without your knowledge is overthinking and stress. The stress hormones will speed up the metabolism, making your calories burn even more faster, which results in weight loss. Even after trying out all of these things, if you don't see any results, then please check with a doctor. There might be any other issues you might be facing, like eating disorders or emaciation. Find out the reason and take proper precautions. We all have different problems that lead to stress, but overthinking doesn't help you in any way, so stop taking the stress and be healthy. I really hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to our Fitness Vault channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.